Every year, we see an array of skincare products that work wonders on our skin. So, we decided to put together some of these and try them out for you. Leave skin in the comments below to get a guide to the perfect skincare routine. Face massaging tools like the gua sha, jade rollers, and derma rollers all work towards giving you a healthy glow. It's the use of facial massaging techniques and microneedling to relieve tension from the muscles, boost blood circulation, and encourage lymphatic drainage to reduce bloating. The gua sha facial technique starts by the application of a face oil, followed by the movement of the tool using gentle pressure, starting from the center of the face, moving outwards and then down the neck. Before using a jade roller, it's advisable to start by applying your eye cream, moisturizer, and serum. Once the skin is hydrated, start by moving in a back and forth, up and down, and out to the side motions to help the product penetrate into the skin for an effective yet gentle massage. The derma roller is a far more precise tool that can be hazardous if not used properly, so follow these instructions to the T, or for a first time treatment, visit a dermatologist to get the hang of it. Use even gentle movements to guide the roller up and down and diagonally across the skin, always lifting off the skin before changing directions. Just a few weeks of this can help you get rid of saggy skin, rosacea, dark circles, scarring, and make the skin feel a lot more lifted, brightened, smoothed, and toned. Pollution and dirt can really leave my pores feeling super clogged, and it can cause texture on my nose that I really hate. So this next one is an absolute winner. This blackhead remover gets rid of dead skin, impurities, and of course blackheads gently without any squeezing or painful peel-off masks. Start by using a hot towel or steamer on the face for 5 to 7 minutes to open up the pores. Choose the suction head according to your needs and move in back and forth motions to start cleaning the problem areas. Finish off with ice cubes or a splash of cold water to close up the pores. Let me begin by saying I'm not a fan of using any animal-based products in my skin, makeup, or clothing. I avoid it whenever I can. But these Silk Cocoon serum-enriched exfoliators have been on top of the trend board for the past few months, so I thought I would try them out for you. All you need to do is leave them to soak in warm water for 5 minutes till they get fluffy. Pop one onto your finger and move in small circular motions all over the face to remove dead skin, boost cell rejuvenation, and reduce wrinkles. It also contains a protein called sericin that gives the skin a hydrated, healthy glow and a dose of collagen. Just a few days of using this will show you a big difference, and your skin will feel plumper and more radiant. But always with such products, do a patch test to prevent any inflammation or allergies. Our under eyes, being one of the most sensitive parts of the body, require extra care and nourishment, for which the world has recently been turning towards snail essence. This moisturizing eye cream has snail excretions in it and has numerous benefits for the skin, such as depuffing, reducing wrinkles, and dark circles. All you need to do is apply a few dots under the eye and gently use tapping motions to let the product absorb into the skin. Who doesn't enjoy face masks, especially one that is known for a number of incredible benefits? This mask has 4 key players: seaweed that helps to battle breakouts, clogged pores, vitamin C that brightens and smooths the skin, charcoal that evens the skin tone and eliminates dirt, and diatomaceous clay that firms and tightens the skin. Just apply a generous layer of it onto the face and leave it on for 10 minutes before you wash off with lukewarm water. Apart from all these benefits, I also love that the mask is not tested on animals, sourced sustainably, and is made from recyclable materials. One of the most common problems faced by women as we age is the sagging of our breasts. So I wanted to give this Ayurvedic breast oil a good try. It can be massaged into the skin like any regular oil as a part of your bedtime routine or when you're not going to be wearing a bra, so the product can take its time to soak into the skin. It helps with firming the bust and has also helped with increasing breast size in some cases. But as with any other product that claims to alter our body's appearance naturally, it may work on some while not having any effect on another. The good thing is it's completely chemical free and natural, so you can definitely give it a shot. I hope you do try some of these quirky but quintessential skincare products and let us know how they work out for you. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.